You are watching Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. All kidding aside, I've been sent this box from Nomadik, and if you don't know who that is, it's an outdoor retail store, and you can get a subscription to this box either monthly, quarterly, yearly. There's different plans. It's a great way for getting into the outdoors and getting some good gear at a really good rate. Yeah, or even a gift for somebody in your family that's into the outdoors, or you don't know what to get them. And you can also inquire what kind of box you want, what you want in it, or what kind of theme you're looking for. This box is geared towards outdoor dining, so let's see what's in here. First off, this is huge. Cool little Strata Stove. And I'll have to tell you, this works really great. My wife used it on our trip out in New Mexico. It has an electronic ignition in it. Unfortunately, I think I broke this one, so I always carry different ways of lighting or ignition anyway, so I don't depend on mechanical things. But this thing, it'll boil water right now. Okay. This alone has a retail value of almost $35. The box only costs $30 for a monthly subscription. Also, they sent the flex bowl, silicone flex bowl. This thing's really cool. This has about a $15 or $16 value, I believe. And yeah, it's by Human Gear. Really cool. Really big, spacious. It'll crush down into nothing in your pouch. What's cool is you can fold the rim back to make it stiff, a little bit more sturdier than your standard silicone bowls. Let me do that here real quick. I'm all thumbs. Anyway, then it gives you a nice rigid bowl, so if you wanted something a little sturdier. But they're really cool, all silicone. And then they also sent some the UCO Gear sport set. These are really cool. My wife and I always use these ourselves in our packs. But spoon, fork, and knife. If you've never used these, they're awesome. Really durable. The nylon, BPA plastic are free. And then I just learned recently you can lock these together to create a longer spoon. So how cool is that? Also, they sent this meal card plan, and you can download the app, and there's 3 easy recipes in there for outdoor dining. Kind of a cool idea. And there's different options, of course, so it's pretty neat. We'll check that out later. But the stove's really cool. Let me show you. Comes in a little bag. Doesn't weigh nothing. This hooks up to your little butane tanks. Pretty slick. And this folds out, these come around, these flip out to sturdy your bowl. Really sweet. Fortunately, I broke the ignition on this, I think. But fired up lighter, and it fits right in your pocket. Boomity boom. So pretty cool. So if you want to, go check it out. I'll leave the links below, and I'll leave a coupon for you, RLO15. It'll be down below. Just click on that. Get you hooked up, or somebody you love that wants to get into the outdoors and you don't know what to get them. This is it. So go check it out. We're gonna go walk around and see if we can find some spring foraging. Have a great day. It's getting warm out. Finally. Found an owl pellet with ate a rabbit. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this, and we'll see you next time.